Welcome to the lair of the Batty Boffin.
Hi there, Batty fans. Speed, distance and time again, and this time you're going to do some of the work. Now, I've got here my velocity time graph. The vertical one is marked in miles per hour going from 0 to 70, and the horizontal in minutes going from 0 to 60. So for this, you're going to need some graph paper. If you haven't got any, there's some downloadable at www.battyboffin.co.uk. Pop along there, or to any other places that have printable graph paper and print yourself some out. You'll probably want it landscape. So make sure you've drawn your axes on, and then you're going to draw a bit of graph. Now, here's what I want you to do. You're going on a car journey. You start off at rest. Now, this is a velocity time graph. So as well as being no distance from your destination, from your starting point, you're also going to be at no miles per hour. No miles per hour is shown right at the bottom here, and you're going to be stationary for 5 minutes while somebody's finding the keys. So you're going to have a horizontal bit just down here, okay, which is showing 0 meters per second. Then after that, you're going to accelerate to 30 miles per hour. That's a steady speed of 30 miles per hour, and you're going to reach that in 1 minute. So this is basically, you're driving off the driveway and going down there. It's going to be a fairly swift acceleration. So it's 30 miles per hour is shown up here, and you're going to continue for 24 minutes. I put 24 just so that when you add the 1 minute and the 5, it comes to a nice number. So up until 30 minutes, you're going to be travelling at 30 miles per hour. So I want a nice horizontal line here, remembering a horizontal line on a velocity time graph shows a steady speed. So I have a horizontal line here with quite a kind of sharp acceleration to get up there. From that, you gradually accelerate to 70 miles per hour. So going from a horizontal line at 30, we're going to go to a horizontal line at 70. And it will take you 5 minutes to do that change. Okay? So from 30 at 30 minutes, you'll be up to 70 5 minutes later. So it'll take you 5 minutes to do that change. So that's a much more gradual acceleration. You're going to stay at a steady speed for 15 minutes, so it's a nice horizontal line there. And then finally, you get stuck in some traffic. So you decelerate to 5 miles per hour for the last 10 minutes. Okay, so the last 10 minutes are spent decelerating down to 5 miles per hour. So by the time you get to here, you should be at 5 miles per hour with a gradual deceleration there. Okay, so I hope I've given you an idea of what that should look like. Pause the video and have a go at that now, please. Right, here's what my graph looks like on my whizzy nice computer generated graphs. Okay, we have along the bottom time in minutes from 0 to 60, and at the side velocity in miles per hour from 0 to 70. We're going to start off with a piece of constant speed, but that constant speed happens to be 0. So here we are from 0 to 5 minutes, sitting in the drive waiting for somebody to find their keys. After they find their keys, you set off, and 1 minute later, you're at 30 miles per hour. So we've got quite a sharp acceleration here, which lasts from 5 minutes to 6 minutes, going from 0 miles per hour up to 30 miles per hour. We then maintain that steady speed of 30 miles per hour for the next 24 minutes. Numbers chosen so that it adds up very nicely to 30 minutes. So we've got a nice horizontal section there. Then we are going to gradually accelerate up to 70 miles per hour, and that will take 5 minutes to accomplish that acceleration. So from 30 miles per hour at 30 minutes to 70 miles per hour 5 minutes later, and a line joining those two showing the acceleration. We keep that speed steady for 15 minutes, so another horizontal section. And then finally, we need to decelerate to 5 miles per hour, and we are going to take 10 minutes to do that. So going from 70 miles per hour down to 5 miles per hour, which is down here, and we are taking 10 minutes to do that. So here's your final section. So your graph should look like that. Okay, hope you had fun with that. I'll see you next time, Batty fans.